Got the new 16-inch MacBook Pro M3 Max. So pretty much as good as you can get it. A huge upgrade from my 2015 MacBook Pro that I have been using for video editing for years. And the poor thing is still working, but struggling. So let's open the newest and best in the series of Mac. Something that is going to take my editing to the next level, hopefully. I don't see how it couldn't, to be honest. Wow, check that out. Great packaging, easy to open. Thank goodness for that. I'm excited. Doesn't look too overly big this way, but I was worried that it would be much bigger. I have a 14-inch. Pull it out. Okay, first we have the accessories. We have one of the charging cables, some reading materials, and the actual charging block, which goes with the charging cable. Pretty standard stuff. Now let's open this up and take a look how it looks. And I got it in the space black. My old MacBook was a silver one, so I just wanted a little bit of a change of pace, I guess. Wow! Look at how beautiful that machine is. And I was told it wouldn't be too fingerprinty, and so far it does seem to not be showing my fingerprints. I don't know if you can tell on there. But the fingerprints seem to be going away right away. Very cool. Let's open her up and check her out. Nice protective film here. It already had some charge, so it started up actually. Wow, it is a beautiful machine. Look how big the trackpad or the mouse pad is on this. It's actually humongous. I wonder if that's going to rub on my palms as I'm trying to type on this. So I like to rest my palms here, which sometimes mean you could be getting a little bit of mouse action from there. So hopefully that's not an issue. It doesn't seem like it. Doesn't seem to be moving the mouse as I do that, but very cool. It is amazing looking. I am super, super pumped about this. I'm gonna go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions to get this thing going, but I just wanted to give you kind of my first overall thoughts on this, how big it is, how beautiful it is. It looks amazing. I am super glad that I went with this color. This is just really, really, really beautiful, and I am happy to have it. So far, pretty pumped, but it's early, so check back for some more.